Hi, I'm Cam Shaheen and I'm the Strategic Product Manager for DTG. Today we're going to be looking at the Workbench PowerStation. To start, we have a much larger work surface than our Problem Solver series, which is ideal for manufacturing environments and other places where you need more room for assembly activities or quality activities or whatever that activity may be. This is perfect for pick-pack, as you have plenty of room to package your product, tape it up, and store it in the shelves below. With every workbench, we have multiple different shelf options with screws up and down each channel, which gives you the flexibility to put the shelves where your operation needs. The mobile Workbench PowerStation is the perfect solution for a pick-pack operation because it provides more workspace than a traditional workstation. It gives you multi-variable shelves to either store your consumables or post-packed items below the tray table, and removes transportation, motion, and potential rework waste that could happen due to human error. And it provides an ergonomic solution that allows your associates to flow more smoothly throughout your inventory management area.